Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can find and delete virus in your iPhone. If you see it helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. First, tap settings. Directly go to very bottom and find apps. Find Safari. Always Safari is a way to get virus to your iPhone. Advanced. Website data. Just remove all website data. Good. Then come back. Okay. Then search for files. If you see any strange files, you can delete. Here I don't have anything. Share it, nothing. Browse, nothing. It means my phone is clear. Open settings again. Then tap general, software updates. Always update your iPhone to latest version, because latest versions of iPhone has security responses. Recommend you always to make security responses on. It directly protects your iPhone from viruses, and update your iPhone to latest version. That's all. Have a nice time.